We begin with breaking news tonight. A man trapped in a collapsed trench in Charleroi, Washington County. KDKA's Erika Stanish has been there working to get more information and joins us now live. Erika, what are you hearing?
Ken, I'm told that worker is trapped about 15 feet deep in this large trench behind me, but I am told that he is alive and he is in good spirits as rescue crews have been working nonstop for the past 3 hours now to rescue him. I want you to go ahead and take a look at some of the video we shot. This is on McKean Avenue in Charleroi. The Charleroi fire chief tells me there has been work happening on this street for the past several weeks, and crews have been here, but it's unclear really what kind of work, whether it's sewer or water lines. That worker, though, somehow got trapped after the trench collapsed and is buried in dirt up to at least his chest. So crews are working right now to remove that dirt around him to get him out of there. Right now, I'm told they're using an air compressor truck to loosen the dirt and suck it out. But the fire chief says the dirt is like clay, which is like concrete, so they have to use a little bit of water to loosen it up first. Now, inside the hole is also an excavator that the workers were using when this collapse happened. I'm told, though, that it is tied off now, so it does not interfere with rescue crews on scene right now. I'm told there were several workers here when this happened, but again, only one is trapped. Again, I'm told he is doing okay. Take a listen.
He's in good spirits. The guys have been, the EMS, and I have a paramedic in my department, has been down there giving him IVs and doing all the things that they need to do to keep him going and to keep him relaxed and giving him some hope that we're going to get you out of here. It's going to take a little bit of time.
So again, you can see this is still a very active scene. Multiple crews are here from departments from several counties, up to 4 different counties, and they're working around the clock. They're asking residents to avoid this area. You can see the caution tape up right here. They're keeping you out. They have a lot of heavy and large machinery being moved in and around this area right now, so they don't want anyone to get hurt. They don't want that to interfere with this rescue mission happening right now behind me. So avoid the area. They said they expect to be here for the next several hours, but we will be on scene. We will be working to get the very latest updates for the man. Again, in good spirits still, despite being trapped right now about 15 feet deep after that trench collapsed. Stay with KDKA for the very latest, but for now, reporting live in Charleroi, Erika Stanish, KDKA-TV News.
All right, Erika, we will keep following that, hoping to hear good news there.